Come, let's write small alphabets. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Small a. Small b is very easy. Let's write together. Small b. Next is small c. Come, let's write small c. Small c. Let's write small d next. Small d. Next, let's write small e. Small e. Small f is the next alphabet. Small f. Let's write small g. Small g. Okay, let's continue our writing. Let's write small h. Small h. Next is small I. Let's write small g next. Small j. Let's write small k now. Small k. Let's write small l. Small l. Next is small m. Come, let's write small m. Small m. Let's write small n now. Small n. Next is small o. Come, let's write together. Small o. Let's write small p. Small p. Next is small q. Come, let's write together. Small q. Let's write small r. Small r. Next is small s. Come, let's write together. Small s. Next is small t. Come, let's write together. Small t. Let's write small u. Small u. Next is small v. Come, let's write together. Small v. Next, let's write small w. Small w. Let's write small x. Small x. Next is small y. Come, let's write together. Small y. And here we come to the last alphabet. Small z.